Apple stock has been one of the worst performing stocks in the S&P 500 this year. Investors are concerned about declining iPhone sales. It also doesn't help that Apple Intelligence is pretty useless, and the Apple Vision Pro was a massive flop. I mean, Apple even got called out by Zuck for not innovating anymore. And I think one of the biggest failures that nobody talks about is Apple TV Plus. Apple has spent over $20 billion on original programming since they launched their streaming service back in 2019. But yet, nobody watches it. In fact, Netflix gets more watch time in a day than Apple TV Plus does in a month. It's not because the shows are bad on Apple TV Plus. The Rotten Tomatoes scores for these shows are through the roof. But outside of Ted Lasso and maybe Severance, they really haven't had a major hit. It's crazy to think that Apple, which is one of the greatest marketing companies in the world with an unlimited budget, can't seem to market their shows successfully. Except for maybe season 2 of Severance, because the marketing for that has been pretty great. The new season debuted last week, and everyone I know is hyping it up. So maybe season 2 of Severance will help with the Apple streaming numbers. By the way, Apple is reporting earnings next week, and we'll see how things really are. I'll be recapping Apple and other big tech earnings on my podcast all next week, so go check that out if you're interested.